All right, so let's see what he comes up with. Gorgeous. I love how simplistic this bob is. Very cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some epic hair transformations. Here we have someone that wants to go with more of like a red shade. She does already have a wolf cut. So let's see. Ooh. So she did kind of like a two-tone color mix with this, the plum on the top and then the black at the bottom. That was really cute. Next up, it looks like we have someone getting more of like a layered look. Now she has some really long hair, and the stylist is just gonna add some shape to it by putting in the layers. And it looks like she is doing a U-cut shape. That's another very popular hair trend if you have a longer hair and you want to add some shape. And then we have some braids being done. So she's going to be getting some passion twist to her hair. I like how the stylist also has braids, and she has this cool, like funky purple mixed in there. All right. Oh, that is beautiful. And I love the ombre color. So pretty. So next up, we have someone also trying out a layered hairstyle. As you guys know, this is a very popular hair trend for 2023. We're seeing so many different hairstyles with layers. And once again, it is a great way to add some shape and texture to your hair. Looks like the stylist did more of like a butterfly cut, which features a lot of beautiful sections of layers. Gorgeous curtain bangs to frame out the face. This is stunning. So pretty. Her hair has so much bounce and body. Next up, looks like we have a long to short transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a shoulder length bob for this one. A little bit of a layered look to frame out the face with the bangs. Ooh, very nice shoulder length bob style. And I think the bangs really just set off this look and make it more trendy. Absolutely stunning makeover. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today and you were able to gain some inspiration. If you were, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.